Welcome back to the Food Science Corner. Today, we're uncovering a surprising fact hidden in your kitchen. Here's the question: is there alcohol in your daily bread? It sounds unbelievable, but the answer may surprise you. When you think about fresh bread or a soft pastry, alcohol is probably the last thing that comes to mind. Yet the science of baking tells a very interesting story. Flour, water, and yeast start the fermentation process. Yeast feeds on the dough's sugars and produces carbon dioxide and ethanol. Carbon dioxide makes the bread rise. Ethanol is the same alcohol found in alcoholic drinks. This is a natural part of bread making. You may wonder, doesn't the alcohol disappear during baking? Most of it does. The high temperature of the oven causes much of the ethanol to evaporate. However, scientific studies show that it never reaches zero. Tiny amounts of residual alcohol remain in the finished bread even after it is fully baked. According to scientific studies, ordinary white bread and many pastries usually contain between 0.2% and 0.5% residual alcohol after baking. Traditional sourdough and some packaged breads may contain even more because of longer fermentation. Laboratory tests have measured alcohol levels as high as 1.99% in certain breads, although most contain much lower amounts. Should you worry about eating bread? Not at all. These tiny amounts are a natural result of fermentation and are considered safe. The next time you enjoy fresh bread or a warm pastry, you'll know there is fascinating food science behind every bite. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.